And now this, a diet ice cream Halo Top is being sued for underfilling its pints. Joining us now, Andrew Brown, the attorney representing the plaintiffs. Andrew, how does a lawsuit like this come about?
Well, it comes about when a company like Halo Top ends up cheating consumers all over the country out of their money. People start to get angry about it. They start to call lawyers, and then we get involved.
Hey, Andrew, it's Liz McDonald here. I'm on the set of Varney & Company. We're part of the entertainment hub, Ashley and I.
We like to think so.
Did your clients eat the evidence, or do they still have the ice cream with them?
Sometimes they eat it. Sometimes
no, did they have? You're basing a lawsuit off of the Halo ice cream that they bought. Do they still have that Halo ice cream, or did they eat it?
I can tell you one of them ate it. One of them continues to eat it.
So how are you going to prove your case? No, I'm talking about the basis of your suit. How are you going to prove your case?
Well, there's a thing called a camera. Most people have them on their phones. I've been getting emailed pictures from all over the country from dozens of consumers who, once they learn about the lawsuit, have been sending me pictures of half-filled pints of ice cream. They send me correspondence from the company. They send me receipts of purchase. There's all sorts of ways to prove this case.
Let's talk about this for a moment, because this is a company that's sort of now becoming a business phenom. $2 billion net worth, started in someone's kitchen just a few years ago, launched in 2012, 2,500% growth. Could this sort of just be mistakes, honest mistakes made by a manufacturer that can't keep up with growing demand? And is it the sort of things that we really need to get the courts involved with?
Well, to the first part of your question, they sell more ice cream than Haagen-Dazs. They sell more pints of ice cream than Ben & Jerry's.
Right, and they've been around at a fraction of a time. So that's my point. A company that's enjoyed remarkable success that they weren't prepared for, do we really penalize them for not necessarily having the manufacturing capabilities or know-how to keep up with demand if we think ultimately it was an honest mistake?
Charles, it's not an honest mistake, and that's not something the company has said. They don't say we're a small company and we don't know how to manufacture ice cream. What they say is that sometimes it melts in shipping. And then it refreezes, and so it's less than a pint. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter what the cause is. It could be global warming. If someone buys a pint of ice cream and they don't get a pint of ice cream, then what do? They've paid more than they should have paid for that pint of ice cream. Now, it's been going on for years, and it's happening all over the country to hundreds of thousands of people.
What's the remedy?
The remedy is, one, they need to stop advertising their ice cream as a pint if it's not a pint.
What are you seeking financially, though? What do your clients want? What do the plaintiffs want financially to resolve this?
Well, what the lawsuit says on the last page in the section titled Prayer for Relief is they want the money returned according to the evidence that is proven at trial. So I think we can all agree that a jury trial is the best way to figure out how much Halo Top needs to return to consumers. Based on the evidence at trial, and that's all they're asking for.
Okay.
So if the jury decides it's $1, then we're satisfied with $1. But if I can prove it's more than that, then I expect everybody else, as well as myself, to be satisfied that it's much more than that.
Well, we'll definitely continue to watch it. Thank you for joining us this morning. Appreciate it.
You got it. Thanks.